Hello everyone and welcome to Intellecta Statistics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to conduct a one sample z-test. Once you have data put in, just go down to Analyses and go to one sample z-test. Select the DV of interest. Here I'll select reading 1. And I'm going to test that against the value of 0. And just hit calculate. Here we can see the assumption of normality is assessed with the Shapiro-Wilks, and that is after the analysis conducted, it's non-significant, which means that the assumption is met. And here we can see the results of the one sample z-test was statistically significant. And here we have a mean of 84, which is different than a mu of 0. And here reading 1 was produced by distribution with a mean that was greater than 0. And then you could just download your document from there. And that's how you conduct a one sample z-test. See you soon.